Welcome back. In this video we'll be looking at investing money. I'll explain each topic in an example. Let us start with the dividend yield. Last year Helen bought 150 shares at $2 per share. They are now worth $2.50 per share. Helen receives a dividend of $0.1 per share. What is the dividend yield? You can see that the current price or the market price of the share is $2.50 and it was $2, so there's a profit has been made by this company. And when a company make a profit, the directors will decide to distribute this money in this way. One will go to the growth, back to the growth of the company, and the rest will be an income for the shareholders, and we call it dividend. So dividend is what the directors decided to give out of the market price. So we know it's a percentage out of the market price, so we know it's not C and it's not D. Now, because we know all the terms, we can substitute back in the formula and get an answer. So we know the formula of the dividend yield. We just substitute back as 0.1, the dividend, over 2.5, which is the market price, times 100, and that would give me 4%. Remember, the dividend is what the directors decided to give to the shareholders. Let's have a look at another question. Reese is preparing his annual budget for 2006. His expected income is $90 every week as a swimming coach. Interest earned from an investment of $5,000 at a rate of 4% per annum. Now his planned expenses are $30 every week on transport, $12 every week on lunches, and $48 every month on entertainment. Reese will save his remaining income. He uses the spreadsheet below for his budget. We have the income and we have the expenses. Now part 1 determines the value of X, Y, and Z. Assume there are exactly 52 weeks in a year. We know that X is the interest, which is principal times rate times the number of years. We know that the principal is 5,000, the rate is 4%, which is 4 divided by 100. We change the percentage into decimal, times 1 year, and that would give me 200. Now the Y is how much he spent on transportation per 1 year. That would be $30 times 52, because we have 52 weeks in a year, and that would give me $1,560. Now the Z is how much he spent on entertainment per year. We have 12 months, so we multiply by 12 and we get an answer of $624. Now part 2. At the beginning of 2006, Reese starts saving. Will Reese have saved enough money during 2006 for a deposit of $2,100 on a car if he keeps his budget? Justify your answer with a suitable calculation. So the saving is actually the income take away the spending or the expenses. We have an income of 4,680 plus 200 from the investment. Take away the expenses, which is transport, lunches, and entertainment. That would give me 4,880 as an income. Take away 2,760, and that would give me 2,120. That's $20 above. So yes, he saved enough money for a deposit. Last question. Mean invested 24,000 at an interest rate of 4.75% per annum, compounded monthly. What is the value of the investment after 3 years? First, that's the key word, monthly. So all the time period should be in month. All the units should be in month. So we have a principal of 24,000, that's the initial amount investment, and we have a rate of 4.75%, and the years is 3 years. We have to change everything to month. To change the rate into months, this is per year, we're dividing by 12. We change the percentage into 0.396% per month. Now the years, to change it to month, we times by 12, we have 36 months. Now we have everything in month, we can substitute back in the formula, which is 24, the principal, plus 0.39 dividing by 100, because that was percentage, we change it into decimal, we're adding the 1 as in the formula to power 36, and we get 27,670 to the nearest $1.